Hey guys, Evelien is back. We're gonna do something cool. What if I don't tell you my plan?
Oh my god. Okay.
I didn't hear it.
Okay. Do what you want.
There we go. Oh, that's better already.
Always feels amazing. You've been cut by.
You're a natural.
Thank you.
You've done this more often.
Well, admittedly, I have been practicing quite a bit.
Not my first round.
Definitely not. So don't know if I can still consider myself a natural or just well trained at this point.
Well, you can't see it yet, but you can feel it. Check out the back.
Oh, yes. That feels amazing. Feels like it looks good. can't wait to see it.
Everybody can except you. Aww.
Okay, it'll be the biggest surprise for me then.
Wet the hair a little so it's damp. Some sea salt spray. Not too much, at least not on this short hair. Now what I try to do is just blow dry it in the direction I want to style it. So all the way to the front and sweep the bangs a little to her right side. And then to finish it off, I'm going to use a dry pomade. Don't use too much. This is more than enough. Spread it across your hands. Make sure it warms up a little. Always start in the back, never start in the front because everything is over here. It's nice and greasy and sticky. Don't have anything left for over here and this looks awesome.
Good tips.
So start in the back with one hand. And this is simple math. You had 100%. You spread it across two hands. 50-50. You use one hand, which means there's
50% left?
Spread it again. How much is left in each hand?
25.
Wow. And then you can use the rest to spread it across. All right. Ready for the big unveil?
Let's do it. Feels amazing. Feels.
There you go.
Let's see what we got. Oh, it's stunning.
Now for the back.
Show me what I got. Oh, yes, I love it. Yep. Looks as good as it feels.
Well, that's it, guys. We're done. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming.
Pleasure to be here.
And see you in the next one.
I've never heard you say anything is impossible. That's why I come to you.
I like impossible.
No, you do. What's life without a good challenge? That tell me